Learning English. Fiancé, fiancée. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video. In this lesson, we will focus on a topic called fiancé, fiancée. Understanding these terms is important when talking about relationships and marriage. So, let's get started. A fiancé is a term used to refer to a man who is engaged to be married. The word fiancé is spelled F-I-A-N-C-A, with an accent mark on the letter E. It is pronounced as fiancé. A fiancé is the term used for a woman who is engaged to be married. The word fiancé is spelled F-I-A-N-C-A-E, also with an accent mark on the letter E. It is pronounced as fiancé. Let's look at some example sentences to understand how to use these terms correctly. My fiancé and I are getting married next month. She introduced me to her fiancé at the party. He bought a beautiful ring for his fiancée. Remember, when talking about your own relationship, you would use fiancé if you are a man and fiancée if you are a woman. If you are talking about someone else's relationship, use fiancé for a man and fiancée for a woman. It's important to note the difference between the terms fiancé, fiancée, and husband, wife. Fiancé, fiancée is used to refer to a person you are engaged to marry. It indicates that the marriage has not yet taken place. Husband, wife is used to refer to a person you are married to. It indicates that the marriage has already happened. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. A fiancé is a man who is engaged to be married. A fiancée is a woman who is engaged to be married. Use fiancé or fiancée when referring to someone you are engaged to. Use husband or wife when referring to someone you are married to. Now, let's practice with some short exercises to reinforce what we've learned. Fill in the blanks with the correct term: fiancé, fiancée, husband, or wife. 1. She introduced me to her blank at the party. Fiancé, fiancée. 2. They got married last week, and now he is her blank. Fiancé, fiancée. 3. My blank and I are planning our wedding for next year. Fiancé, fiancée. Great job! You've learned about the terms fiancé and fiancée in English. Now you can confidently talk about your own or someone else's engagement. Keep practicing and expanding your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.